Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love baking or just want to level up your kitchen game, today's video is all about the best stand mixers of 2024. Whether you're whipping up cookies, kneading dough, or making fluffy whipped cream, we've got you covered with the top picks for every type of home cook. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer. And if you're looking for a solid mixer that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one's a great pick. With a 4-quart stainless steel bowl and planetary mixing action, this mixer ensures thorough mixing every time. No more scraping the sides of the bowl because the attachments rotate around the entire bowl, giving you complete coverage. The 300-watt motor powers through even the thickest doughs, so whether you're making pizza, cookies, or bread, it maintains a constant speed. You get 3 versatile attachments: a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, so you can handle any recipe you throw at it. Plus, the 7-speed settings give you everything from slow folding to high-speed whipping, making this mixer super flexible. And cleanup is a breeze with the removable splatter shield and dishwasher-safe parts. If you want a reliable and affordable stand mixer that covers all your baking needs, the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer is a solid choice. If you're tight on space but still need a solid mixer, the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is perfect for you. This compact little mixer weighs less than 7 pounds and is super easy to store, making it great for small kitchens, apartments, or if you're just low on storage. It even comes in multiple colors to match your kitchen vibe. The 3.2-quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for small batches, perfect for a couple or a beginner baker. Plus, the tilt head design makes it super easy to pop the bowl and attachments in and out. This mixer might be small, but with 6-speed options, it can handle everything from kneading dough to whipping cream. And with 4 anti-slip suction cups on the bottom, it stays put even during the toughest mixing jobs. The upgraded attachments, including a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, are all made from sturdy materials and are easy to clean, especially with the splash prevention design. If you're looking for a cute, compact, and powerful mixer for daily use, the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is a fantastic choice. Next up, we've got the Cuisinart stand mixer, and this one is all about power and versatility. With a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl and a 500-watt motor, this mixer has the muscle to handle big batches and thick doughs. Plus, with 12 speeds, you get precise control for everything from slow mixing to fast whipping. The tilt-back head design makes it easy to switch attachments, and there's even a power outlet for optional add-ons like a pasta maker or meat grinder. Talk about multifunction. This mixer comes with all the essentials: a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout to keep things neat. Available in a variety of colors, this Cuisinart mixer not only performs like a champ, but looks great on your countertop too. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful stand mixer that can handle a variety of tasks and even expand with optional attachments, the Cuisinart stand mixer is definitely one to check out. Next on our list is the Smeg 50s Retro Stand Mixer. And let's be honest, this one is a stunner. It's got that iconic retro look, but it's not just about style. This mixer means business. The planetary mixing action ensures that whatever attachment you're using, be it the dough hook, flat beater, or wire whisk, covers the entire bowl for thorough mixing. With a powerful 800-watt motor and 10-speed settings, it can handle everything from heavy doughs to delicate creams. The attachments are well designed for different tasks. The aluminum flat beater is perfect for dense mixtures like cake batter, while the stainless steel beater with silicone edges scrapes the bowl clean as it mixes. And for whipping up eggs or creams, the wire whisk does the trick. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it easy to use and clean. If you want a stand mixer that not only performs but also adds a bit of retro flair to your kitchen, the Smeg 50s Retro Stand Mixer is an awesome pick. Let's wrap it up with a true classic: the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt head stand mixer. If you know stand mixers, you know KitchenAid is a household name, and for good reason. This mixer has a durable metal construction and gives you 59 touch points around the bowl for top-tier mixing results. The 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl is big enough to mix up to 8 dozen cookies in one go. And the best part? It's dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The tilt head design lets you easily add ingredients, and you can lock the head in place while mixing for stable performance. With 10 speeds, it handles anything from gently stirring to full-on whipping. Plus, you can expand its versatility with 10+ optional attachments that let you make everything from pasta to ice cream. If you want a mixer that's built to last and can handle almost any recipe, the KitchenAid Classic Stand Mixer is a solid choice.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.